Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So, without any delay, let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to share about my daily routine, how I spend my day to day. So, let's begin. Today, I woke up at 6:30 a.m. Then I washed my face and drank a bottle of water. After that, I took my brush and brushed my teeth. Thereafter, I got fresh and studied for 2 hours till 8:30 a.m. Then by 9:30 a.m. I took bath. I left room and went to college. And in college, our professor taught us for 2 hours. After that, I came back into my room. And in my room, I took rest for 15 minutes. After that, I decided to write my project work. Then I wrote my project till 4 o'clock. And after 4 o'clock, I took rest and I did my own works. And in the evening time at 6:30 p.m., I again went to my study room and studied for 2 hours till 8:30 p.m. And after that, by 10:30 p.m., we had our dinner, and by 11 o'clock, I went to my bed. So, this was my day. So, guys, I think this video helps you everyone. So, if you like this video, please do subscribe, share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And please share your daily routine in the comment section.